All right. Take a look at. Let's take a look at some VWAPs here. Today is Thursday, November 20th. And this is what we're looking at here. Daily chart, increased volume. Today was CPI, and apparently it was good because we are trading well below the prior day's range. And we are trading back into this prior daily chart range. We are above the VWAP on the monthly. We are above the +1 on the weekly. And on the daily, it looks like we're +1. So we might have full time frame confluence today. Let's go ahead and tag that. So I'll go over here to my tags. Trend, monthly above, weekly +1, daily +1. So we've got pretty strong time frame confluence here. Looks like today is going to be primarily long. What's I trying to do with this? I don't think there's anything I need to do here. Let's get rid of that. And let's put cumulative in here. All right, that looks a little better. We're 1 minute from the open. Last thing I want to look at is any support resistance areas. I don't think we really have any since we're trading so much higher after CPI. As far as big order locations, I mean, we're really just looking at the top of the range. There's some big orders up there by like 880s, 870s. But that's more than 100 points away, so I doubt we'll hit that today. 5 minute, not seeing much either. There was this prior support resistance here that I'll mark out, just in case we trade back that way. And I suppose there's also one here. So we got 2 prior support resistance areas below us that we may want to trade into. And we could be putting in another one here at 73s. Let's just mark it. Yeah, we could be putting in another support resistance area here, but we'll have to wait for the open to confirm that. Speaking of which, here it comes. There's the open. Lots of volatility today. Just want to make sure that I am staying consistent with my system. I do not want to trade any subpar setups. I want multiple factors of support on these trades. So it looks like this is our opening range, 68.50 to 62.50. And it looks like we want to break below. I'll pulse check a short at 62. And I'd probably take it off for the point, maybe 6 ticks. Definitely don't want to be short biased though, given the time frame confluence. Looks like a move back up here through opening range high, and we appear to be accepting. Just make sure I have my right orders selected. I do. I'm going to place a test order. That works. Pretty good acceptance up here, and it looks like we just touched the pre-market high. I do have a little pullback here to opening range high, but it didn't give me an ATR candle for it, so I don't think I'm going to take the long. Would have worked though. We did get the move up higher. We're almost what, 3 points, 4 points. Pretty good move. Pretty strong move down there. I'm going to take the long at the bottom of the volume profile. But that seems to be coming back against me, so I took it off for a loss there. We are back below opening range high now, so information I've gained in the last 3 minutes price action is that we are chopping around a lot, and we appear to be disrespecting a lot of areas. So I just got to keep that in mind if I'm trying to trade areas of interest today. Just know that they might want to play with them a lot. Yeah, it could get chopped around on. It looks like we failed overnight high again. So we've tested overnight high 3 times now and failed each one of those times. So there could be a move lower here, but let's wait and actually see if there's confirmation of that happening. There's an ATR candle down here with acceptance. I'm going to try the short at 67.50. And I'm going to pull that because it doesn't look like I got filled on that move, but I'll count that as a good pulse check. The trade did work. Looks like it's fighting here a little bit. I definitely don't want to get caught shorting an uptrend today. So with this strong move, I'm just going to let it breathe. I'm not going to fade this. I want to see if we test overnight high again. That will be important information. If we fail that again, I will definitely be more inclined to short the mean reversion. But if we accept above, then I think we are in breakout territory. I want to make sure I'm keeping up to date on my tags today. So we're testing again, but we're giving a bit of more of a compression look into these highs, which does work well for a breakout. We got an ATR candle pullback. I'm going to long 71 even. I got a pretty good high volume area to support my trade. I just, of course, do not want to see us trade through it and accept below. So pulling back on me a little bit here, which I'm totally fine with as long as it can maintain upwards. But if we start accepting below, I'm going to pull this, take this trade off. Pretty sharp move up. I'm going to take this trade off. Not only is it a time-based stop, the trade did not work in a certain amount of time, but price action also seems to just be tumbling downward. We're making lower highs and lower lows on the 3-second chart, which I am obviously not a fan of. There could be a try two here on the ATR candle. I'm going to pulse check it, long 70 even. But again, I just don't really want to get stuck in the middle of this range again. If I do take another long attempt, I want it to be closer to 67s. We're testing overnight high again. And we seem to be breaking out. There's a bit of a retest ATR candle here, moving along 72 even for the breakout retest. And we'll see if we can't move higher towards high of day near 75s. I do like the price action here. We are making higher highs and higher lows. The price is struggling a little bit, but it often does that. On a breakout, it likes to put in like this grindy move up instead of just the sharp, typical breakout that we're used to. I will go ahead and try to work an exit at 76 even. I don't like the double top we just put in. We've pulled back on my entry quite a bit, and I don't want to see it go down there again. I think if we start accepting down here, I'm going to have to take this trade off. There's the move back up. I want to see us maintain up here. I'm even going to put in a stop loss at 69.25. And it looks like my stop loss got hit. So that was a pretty high EV trade. The breakout potential was definitely there on that one. But it just wasn't quite working. I think my signal to get out would have been that double top that we put in there. We tried to make a new high and we couldn't break it. So I think that was my indication that I should have got out. As I'm saying that, we are trading up to highs again, but we're failing. They're still putting in a resistance there. So it's trying to break upwards, but still not hitting my target of 76. We got a bit of a pullback here. I'm going to try this one for a long at 72 again. This trying twice essentially doubles my risk on it. But I still do think the potential reward here is significant for sure. We got a nice little pullback there. I'm going to risk the bottom of it. I'm going to risk 67.75. I do not want to see them pull back further than that. I want that to be the local low. And it looks like I'm taking a third stop. So breakouts are not the play today. That is the information I've gained from this. Breakouts are not working. We are back below VWAP. And because of the volatility, especially the P&L volatility here, I'm just going to take a short break. I will be back. All right. Couple of observations. I need to be a lot more selective with my trades. I can feel myself falling back into that, you know, high frequency trader mentality of just, placing a million trades, and I do not want to do that. Another observation is that I haven't even looked at the higher time frames yet this session, which on a high volatility day like today, I need to be doing. So I just need to zoom out a little bit more, take my time. I'm in no rush. I've still got a whole session in front of me, and just don't push anything more than you have to. We are breaking out above this prior resistance area at 74.75. We've got a nice little struggle grind structure working here. Nice little channel to work with. It appears we are breaking out of that structure. So let's see what happens today. I do like the pullbacks today. I think those have been working a lot more reliably than the continuations. So let's just be patient, wait for a good pullback. Right now, an area for pullback would probably be around 76s. Let's see if it gives me one. Nice little slip range setting up here. Let's see if we can breach the lows on an ATR candle or the pullback higher. Along 77.25 for the pullback. A bit of an overshoot, which is fine. I just don't want to see it accept into the reclaim below at 74s. There's the acceptance back above. And I would like to see this go back to the prior range highs around 81. Let's see if we get it. Bit of a pullback again here, which could work for me as long as it reclaims back up, which it looks like it's doing. Nice defensive lows, which adds confirmation. If we're defending those lows, that is a good sign for my long. We just want that pattern to continue. I don't want to see us test those lows too many times, because then that could be potential acceptance. Just slip ranging quite a bit, but putting in higher lows, which I like. Again, just want to see us maintain that pattern of higher lows. And out at 81.25. So got some points on the board there for sure, which definitely helps. Definitely helps fix some of those losses from earlier. And it looks like that was a perfect exit because we are now struggling to break those highs. That doesn't mean those highs won't break, it just means nailed my exit. Looks like we are trying to put in another ATR candle lower. This area could be defended again for a potential long, but it looks like that trade is already over if it existed at all. I do want to be careful though with trying to trade breakout trades. So the biggest difference there is on this trade I did not hold for the breakout. I just took the top of the range, which is important information moving forward. Pretty sharp move down on some sell volatility here. I'm going to try the long at 76 for the range favor long again. See those sellers get squeezed a bit. I'm going to take this off at range mid, about 78.25. I just don't want to be, I don't want to hold for the top of the range this time, just because of the implied volatility, and we have tested these lows quite a few times now. When we test those lows over and over and over again, that could just mean that we're about to break out to the downside. So I don't necessarily want to hold for the world on it. That kind of looks like that's what's happening. We're making lower highs consecutively. We've failed the high of day a few times now. And we just keep testing the range lows. And if we keep testing the range lows, I am going to be pretty sure of a breakout lower. That doesn't necessarily mean I will short it because we're still trending above the VWAP +1. Just does mean I'm going to be a little bit more hesitant on my long trades. Here comes another test, so another lower high and another test of lows, which looks like compression to the downside. We got 10 o'clock news coming up, so I'm going to be hands off until after that. Let's see what it does. Check the 3-minute chart here. We do have a lot of big buyers up here, and if I'm not mistaken, this was a prior volume area. Yeah, as you can see here, we had a big prior volume area back here. So I'm not saying it'll pivot here, but if it did pivot, this would be the place to do it for sure. I think confirmation of that would be acceptance back below 74. 74 is kind of the area here. So let's see if we get that. And as fun as it is to make these pivot predictions, the trend is clearly to the upside, so I am still unbiased for sure. We do have a little break of high of day here on pretty good buy volume. I do like the range we just put in on the smaller time frame, and I'll be looking for a retest of that range. Both of my winning trades today have been mean reversion trades, and my losing trades today have all been breakout trades. So I think that says a lot about the current market. Volatility is deceiving. Volatility makes it look like it's a breakout market, but really we're just chopping around like always. This is the exact same price action as we have in low volatility, just stretched. However, we are putting in a stair-step pattern, so I will mark out the resistance lows, or the support lows and resistance highs for potential pivots. Pretty sharp move lower. Could be a pullback trade here. I might look for the local point of control, which would be around 77s for a pullback long. But at the same time, if it slowly grinds its way to 77s, that's going to be pretty good indication of acceptance below. And acceptance below might be reversal territory. So let's just wait and see. I'm in no rush. Got the whole session in front of me. We will wait for those juicy pullbacks. Price action is pretty tight up here. We're compressing into highs. That being said, I still do want to be ultra conservative on entries up here. We do have pretty good precedence of ATR pullbacks, though. The last 3 ATR pullbacks have worked. Technically 4 if you want to count the one from earlier. As we grind higher here, I might be interested in a pullback at 81s. It would be a much more aggressive long, but I still think it would be a valid one. $10 o'clock news looks pretty bullish. We just broke high of day on pretty high volume. And it looks like we're accepting above it. Sometimes these news reclaims get taken back immediately. Sometimes they get turned into support. So let's see what it does today. It does look like sellers are present at this level, and we've just taken the news reclaim back. That being said, we are still miles above the VWAP +1, so I'm not interested in shorts here. This is all just useful information for any longs that I might be looking to take. that was a good little reclaim invalidation there. We came back and invalidated that news reclaim, and now we seem to be grinding higher. This could be laying out the price action for the rest of the day here if we maintain above that news candle, then we could be setting up for just further uptrend. If we get an ATR pullback to 84.50, I may be interested in a long for the continuation. But let's just see how it gets here. I definitely want it to be a sharp move. Right side of the V, I'm going to long 85. But I want to keep this tight. I don't want to see this continuing to grind downwards. It looks like that's what it's doing, so I'm going to take that off for a very small loss. With those kind of pullback trades, you really want it to work instantly. You do not want to be sitting there waiting for it to rotate back up, because it could take forever. You know, you could be stuck in that overshoot forever. So good attempt, but also a good exit. I'm glad I took that off for a small loss. This move is starting to develop a capitulation move to it, which may play into the reversal idea I had earlier, because we made a high of day on that news candle, and we just failed to take it back. So we failed to make a new high, and now we seem to be rotating lower on pretty steady sell volume. This is pretty aggressive for the sellers here. As I said before, though, the confirmation of that would be acceptance below 74s. And we'll see if we get it. We did just rotate off the prior resistance area of 82s. So we'll see if that can hold. Uh, 82 is also the bottom of this little micro range here, so if we get an ATR pullback to 82s, we'll take the long. There's the pullback. I'm going to take the long at 82.75. Very clearly defined risk. I do not want to see this accept below 82s. A bit of an overshoot on my entry, but acceptance back above. And we got a very sharp high volume candle there. I'm gonna to the downside. I'm going to take that off for a loss, just until I get a little bit of clarity on what's going on here. That wasn't a horrible loss. That was actually pretty manageable. I think it was about 10 ticks. So let's just wait and see what happens. I still think we were above the VWAP +1, but we're now testing it. And still some pretty major sellers here. This could be the rotation that I mentioned earlier. An acceptance below 75 would be confirmation of that. There's the test of 75. And it looks like we're accepting below. I'm going to look for ATR pullbacks to the upside to short into. Current area I'm looking at is 77s, maybe high 76s. We stair step lower. I want to look for pullbacks to 74s now, kind of right below that prior support area. Given the width of this move, the pullback would have to be pretty substantial. I do not want to take any like 5 or 6 tick pullbacks. I want it to be really juicy, like 3 or 4 points pullback. There was a very brief pullback, but again, it was just too tight. I want the if I take a pullback trade, I want it to be a lot wider than that. It was only like 1, maybe 2 points. Back into opening range highs. It looks like all the buyers we've put in today have just been liquidated. A lot of strong selling on that move down. Current pullback area I'm targeting is 72s. Aggressive entry might be 71s. Still very steady selling. We are putting in a bit of a support here, which I like for the continuation. I think when we put in a support like this, it's going to want to generate a pullback in order to break it. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it goes without me, and that's fine. It's just not my playbook. Looks like we're putting in a pullback right now, but it's just a little too shallow. Here's my pullback of 72s. I'm going to short 72 even. And I'm going to risk about 75s. I'm not going to put a stop in just because it can get a little choppy. But that's my rough area of risk is acceptance above 75s. Nice little rejection there and acceptance lower. I don't necessarily want the breakout lower, but I do at least want to see us trade back into those lows. So I'm targeting maybe 67s. Another test of MI entry, which I'm totally comfortable with. It does look like it's rejecting. And buyers seem pretty weak here. I'm very comfortable holding this down to the 67 area, like I said earlier. Another test of my entry and fail. It looks like sellers are defending that area. But like I said earlier, I don't want to see it test too many times. I think if it comes back up there again, I might take the trade off. But it's looking good so far. I'm trading back lower into 69s. I just want to see us get through this reclaim at 68s. There's a pretty wide reclaim down to 67, 66 area. I just want to see us take that back. Very tight slip range here, but I do have the slip advantage, which makes it easier to hold. Still struggling to break 69s. That is the break I'm looking for. Break of 69s and a continuation lower. We are putting in lower highs here, which I like. Pretty solid selling. Another test of 69s. And there's the break. I'm going to take this off at 67.50. Right there. Nice little trade. So this one was below VWAP. I might also make sure that's indicated on the last trade I took. Below. That looks good. And I do just want to do a quick little check of P&L here. So yeah, still down on the day, but recouped quite a bit of it, which is always good. So we did get another retest of the support resistance area at 763. That was pretty close to the low of day. Low of day is 60.25. There's a nice little slip range to play with here. I'll be interested in a pullback short to 67. There's the pullback. I'm going to try to get filled at 67 even. There's the fill. And I've got pretty clearly defined risk up to 70. I just don't want to see us take back this reclaim. Pulled back on my entry a bit as an overshoot, but that actually could work for me. I just don't want to see us accept up here. There's the test of 70. And unfortunately, it is accepting it against me. I'm going to have to take that off for a rather big loss. Let's wait and see what happens as far as continuation goes, because we do have a lot of reclaim above us. We did have a retest of the low of day. We're trading above VWAP again. So this could be a potential pivot back to the upside. Let's see what happens. This could be failing here. The volume was very light on this move up. I don't think buyers are very attracted to this area. I may be looking for a main reversion short. Let's just wait for a little bit more confirmation. I'm going to try the short at 75.50. There's the entry, 75.25. And I've got pretty clear risk up to 79s roughly. My reward for this is very high. I think we could see 64s for almost a 10-point trade. But let's just wait and see. For now, I might put in a stop loss at 80 even. The win rate on this type of trade is pretty low, but the risk reward could be massive potentially. I will risk 5 points for potentially 10 points. But let's see what happens first. Some disqualifying factors might be if we see buyers step in here. If buyers start getting aggressive, I may want to pull this trade off. But for the time being, buyers seem very weak. That being said, though, there is a lot of reclaim risk behind me. So I just want to make sure that I don't get caught in a blowout to the upside. Those types of moves can happen, so I do want to make sure, while my leash is wide on this trade, I do need at least some sort of protection in the form of a stop loss. Looks like we tested to move higher again and failed, which I like. And now we're kind of rolling over to the downside. Pretty lethargically on steady selling. I would much rather see steady selling rather than aggressive selling. I think aggressive selling sometimes sets up for short squeeze, but for the time being, this seems like a very steady downtrend. Well, it looks like it is testing highs again. Buyers do want to. This is a pretty pivotal area. They either want to push higher or push lower, and I'm betting they push lower, but that doesn't mean I'll be right. This could come back and slap me. We do have a pretty nice support resistance area here at 75s that we're playing with. If it did pivot, it would pivot here. That doesn't mean it will, though. Bit of acceptance higher, but again, buyers are very weak. The majority of the delta coming in here is still sellers. Did take the stop there. That was a pretty wide stop loss that they just took up into the test of 80s. And we are now trading above VWAP +1, so shorts are off the table unless we can accept lower. So I'm just going to hang out and watch, see if I can gain some more clarity. It looks like I was wrong about that idea. Buyers, as weak as they are still trying to push higher. We do have pretty nice invalidation of all the reclaim here. I'm going to try the short at 82.25. And this will essentially be my last trade of the day. This will be my daily risk. I don't think I want to see this go above 88s for roughly a 5-point stop loss. But potentially 10, 15 points of reward here if we can get down to 66s. And it looks like a forced liquidation there if I've hit my daily loss limit, unfortunately. So that'll have to be me for the day. I'm going to call it here and jump into a review. So I will catch